So next, let's check background. Okay, let's see what this background does. Let's add background to this section of this video. Now you click on background. Okay, once you click on background, it brings you here, so you can select any of the images there for the background. Okay, so once you select it, to come back down, for you to see the background, you just crop it a bit. Okay, you hold the screen and close up or release it, you understand? So just hold the screen and begin to adjust or close. So when you adjust, you will see that the background will be showing. So you can see the background there. Now the next thing we want to do, let's test speed. I'm sure you have seen some people who the video will be talking very fast, and you will think that's the way they recorded the video, or they will be dancing very fast. You think that's the way they recorded the video. No, what they use is speed. You can record a normal video and use speed. Now you can see this is a normal stand of the speed. For us to make this video faster, we will move the speed up to the right. You can see I'm moving it. You move it to the right and you will get a higher speed. The speed will increase. Now let's do that. Okay, let's increase the speed by 2 times. Look at it. Can you see that? Now you can see that the video is playing very fast. Okay, that is it. You can play other part of the video, you will see they are not fast. You can see now, but look at the place. I just increase it. See how fast it is. That is what speed does. Speed has increase and reduce. You can increase the speed, you can also reduce the speed. Now let's reduce the speed, like what you call slow motion. Okay, now let's reduce it. Let's see it now. Play. You can see that the video will be very, very slow. Okay, so that's why you see all these things happen. It's not magic, it happens here in TikTok. You can increase the speed to talk very fast, as in being play very fast, or you reduce the speed to play very slow. Now let's continue with our normal